from carbon and its compound, that is nothing but chapter 4 of class 10. So the previous chapter we have read the properties of carbon. In the property we have covered catenation and allotropes of carbon. We saw the properties of diamond, graphite and Buckminster fluorines. So today we will start with a new topic, that is nothing but homologous series. Homologous series. Now, what do you mean by the term homologous? Homologous means same. Series means in a sequence. So, in organic chemistry, the carbon and hydrogen are bound with a series of sequence. They are classified generally into three types. They are alkane, alkene and alkynes. So today we will focus with alkane, alkene and alkyne, which comes under the homologous series. Now, what do you mean by homologous series? Homologous series is nothing but same carbon and hydrogen that contain CH and HY bonded with carbon and hydrogen. So first we will go with the properties of alkane. Now alkane comes under homologous series. Okay. Now the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Now here what do you mean by n? N is nothing but the number. If I will put n equal to 1, here C1 H2 into 1 plus 2, that is equal to CH4, which is the first member of alkane, that is methane. Now if I will put n equal to 2, here it will come C2, just substitute in place of n, you substitute 2. C2, hydrogen 2 into 2 plus 2, that will come C2, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Second member, that is ethane. Now, third member, n equal to 3, substitute 3, C3, 2 into 3 plus 2, that is equal to C3, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now the name is propane. Now children, see here, you can find a small difference here. Here we are increasing by 1, C1, C2, C3. Here we are increasing by 2 number, 4, then plus 2, 6, then plus 2, 8. The next, directly without taking n equal to 4, you can write directly C4, H10, C5, H12, then C6, H14, C7, 16, C8, 18, C9, 20, C10, 22. Just increase hydrogen by plus 2 and carbon by plus 1. So what is the difference between the sequence? The only difference between the sequence is CH2 group. Means you have to increase carbon by 1 number and hydrogen by 2 number. Then you will come to know the series. So the complete series is the family of alkane. Here you find methane, ethane, propane, butane. Then next is pentane, pentane. Next is hexane. Like this it will go on. Hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. Now you will tell that, madam, these three names came from where? These three names are nothing but tribal names. Tribal names given by different Ayurvedic person. After butane, you will find that according to the carbon, the names are given. For example, C5 Alkane is nothing but it is a marshy gas or natural gas. It is aliphatic carbon compound. What do you mean by aliphatic carbon compound? Aliphatic carbon compound is nothing but the carbon compound which form in a chain structure, not in the form of ring structure. Ring means it will come in the aromatic form. Chain means it will termed as aliphatic carbon compound. So alkane, alkene and alkynes are completely derived with aliphatic carbon compounds. Now already you know all the names. Now how to draw the structure of methane with alkane? Now see here, the first member of alkane family is methane. Now I'll show you how to draw the structure of methane. Carbon linked with 4 hydrogen like this. First structure of methane. So which bond it is formed? Single bond. Single bond means completely saturated bond. You cannot break it again. You cannot break this bond. This is saturated bond means they form completely stable form. Completely stable form. Neither they lose electron nor they gain electron. They attain the stability. So that's why alkane are very strong bond and they cannot be broken further. Now we will come to alkene. Right children? Are you understanding? It's very easy. After going with this, we will come to the flow chart. Now, the second member is alkene. As you see the name alkene, E and E, the suffix will be E and E. Now, the general formula is CnH2n. This is the general formula. Again, you substitute here n equal to 1. You will substitute means you will get C1H2 into 1, that is equal to 2. It comes CH2. Now next, n equal to 2, if you put C2H2 into 2, that is equal to C2H4. Now, you will say that CH2, how to draw? Cn. This is CH2. Is this a stable form of carbon? Is carbon contain 4 hydrogen bond like this? No. Because it has only 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen like this. But each carbon needs how many hydrogen to become stable? 4. So, is this a stable form? No. So, it is wrong. So, in alkene, we need a stable form which is wrong for n equal to 1. You cannot take n equal to 1 for alkene. You have to start with n equal to 2 to become stable. Then how we will make this structure? C2, 4 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see here. This carbon contain how many bonds? 1, 2, 3. This carbon, how many bonds? 1, 2, 3. Now is it stable? No. Because as I told, each carbon need to stable to get 4 bond. Then how to make 4 bond? Just make it double bond. So now you see, now you check again. Carbon. This carbon only you see. Don't see this carbon. This carbon bonded with 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon bonded with 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is stable. So n equal to 2 is possible for alkene, not n equal to 1. So this is not possible. So alkene start with the member ethene. So methane Then hydrogen, put anywhere one single double bond. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now you count for this carbon. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you count hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you got it? See here. N equal to 3. 3 carbon. 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how you will come to know that your structure is balanced? Just check by putting one hand like this. Suppose you are taking this carbon. Okay? Now put hand here. See the bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now put hand this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means all carbon are equally satisfied with all the bonds. Clear? Now here also you see the same one I applied. C2H4. Carbon is increased by 1 and hydrogen is increased by 2. The next number will be C4, 6, 7, 8. C5H10. Then what is the name? Ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, octene, nonene and decene. So this is the formula for alkene, ENE. Now we will come to the last, that is alkyne. Alkyne, as the name suggests, the last 3 word is nothing but the suffix. So suffix of alkyne is Y and E. The general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Clear? Now the first member again we will see N equal to 1. So we will put here C1 hydrogen 2 into 1 minus 2. So C hydrogen will be 0. Is it possible? Hydrogen is 0. Is it stabilize the carbon molecule? Not at all. So this is completely wrong. So N equal to 1 is not at all possible for alkyne. Now we will go with N equal to 2. We will check C2 hydrogen 2 into 2 minus 2. C2 hydrogen 2 to the 4 minus 2 is 2. Now how to draw the structure? 2 carbon molecule bonded with 2 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. So here just you put triple bond and here 1 bond. Now check with the carbon. This carbon is bonded with 1, 2, 3 and 4 bond. This carbon is bonded with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means this carbon also stable, this carbon also stable and the molecule is completely correct and the name is ethine. Y-N-E. Ethine. Next, when we will put N equal to 3, you put here C3 hydrogen 2 into 3 minus 2, that is C3H6 minus 2, 4. So how it is increased? Hydrogen is increased by 2 and carbon is increased by 1. Same series, ethyne, then it will come propyne, then C4H6, it will come butane. So if anybody will ask you what is the first member of alkyne or alkene series, it is not methene, not methane, it is completely ethene and ethyne. Why it is not possible? Because carbon is not at all stable when N equal to 1. Understood? Now children, to remember this whole series, you can make a flow chart in this form. In this flow chart, you can remember properly alkane, alkene, alkyne. You make such a flow chart where you can remember. So this is the general formula as I wrote. CnH2n plus 2 for alkane, alkene and alkyne. And these are the suffix A N E, E N E and Y N E. The first member of alkane is methane, first member of alkene is ethene, and the first member of alkyne is YME, and here is the structure of the first member. In this way, you can prepare a flow chart, and it is very easy to remember the homologous series, and it is very interesting to draw the structure. Thank you.